The Staggered Stance RDL is one of my favorite go-to drills for improving the integration of the foot and the hip, as well as improving the mechanics and the overall function of the posterior spiral kinetic chain. And ultimately, this is a great drill for just learning how to load the hip properly, which is ultimately going to carry over to our deadlifts predominantly. And one of the major benefits of doing this version of a single leg RDL is that balance is not a limiting factor for us. Because of the setup where we have our outside leg, or the leg that we're not really focused on loading, still supporting us to some degree, although minimally, it allows us to maintain our balance a lot easier, and therefore we're able to use more load as well as be able to maintain our alignment better throughout, so there's less compensation happening as we go through the drill. In order to execute the drill, start with the kettlebell right next to the inside of the working leg. From there, you want to step back a little bit with the other leg just so you can kind of find that sweet spot as far as stability goes. And then from there, you're focusing on hinging back into the hip that the leg is forward on. You're focusing on loading the inside of the heel and the first metatarsal predominantly, and making sure that you're getting good nutation and anterior tipping of the sacrum as you hinge and feel the pelvis rotating over your femur. And then you just want to make sure that the kettlebell doesn't pull your shoulder out of position or over rotate your torso too much.